Today, in functional grammar series, we learn change of voice, interrogative, informative, future perfect tense, compiled and voiced by Nageswar Rao A, English teacher, Sri Prakash. At the end of the lesson, we learn to identify an interrogative sentence, that is informative. We learn to identify the object. We learn to identify the sentence in active form. We learn to identify the sentence in passive form. We learn tense-wise extra B form that we need to add while transforming the sentence from active voice to passive voice. Study the following sentence. Who will have taught English? What is the type of the sentence? It is interrogative, informative sentence, as it asks the information about the person who taught English. Can you identify the object of the sentence? Yes, it is English. We get the answer English when we raise a question, what is taught? What is the tense of the sentence? It is future perfect, as the verb is in the future perfect form, that is will plus have plus past participle. Now let us study the structures that we follow in active form and passive form. Active form: who plus will have plus V3 form of the verb. Passive form: by whom plus will have plus object plus been plus V3 form of the verb. What extra B form do we add? It is been. Where do we place the extra B form? It is immediately after the object. Now let us see the answer for the question, who will have taught English, in active form is by whom will have English been taught in passive form. Now let us study the following examples. Who will have written this novel? Active. By whom will have this novel been written? Passive. Who will have cared the child? Active. By whom will have the child been cared? Passive. Who will have looked into the case? Active. By whom will have the case been looked into? Passive. Who will have brought vegetables from the market? By whom will have vegetables been brought from the market? Passive.